COVID-19 has impacted businesses and organizations across Kern County, and it doesn't stop at just restaurants or places of worship. 23 ABC's Kallyn Hobmann has more on how the virus is affecting one nonprofit that helps veterans and people with special needs or disabilities. Kallyn?
I'm here outside the M.A.R.E Therapeutic Riding Center. Usually there are 15 riding sessions, summer camps, and events happening here every day. But when COVID-19 hit, they had to close their doors. This month, however, they are finally able to slowly reopen.
It felt really exciting to be able to have some people back. I know having our veterans, they were, literally chomping at the bit, no pun intended.
Kimiko Kobayashi is the executive director at the M.A.R.E Therapeutic Riding Center. M.A.R.E standing for Mastering Abilities Riding Equines. They say the name itself describes the way the center helps people with injuries, disabilities, and special needs.
Due to just restrictions and masks and things like that, and the nature of the kids that have certain disabilities, it's a little bit harder to adhere to some of those restrictions.
Due to COVID-19, volunteers and staff had to cut their hours, and fundraising events were canceled.
75% of our revenue every year comes from fundraisers and donations, and we've already had to cancel and postpone 2 of our fundraisers.
And the staff members at M.A.R.E weren't alone in their disappointment when the barn had to close. Riders that rely on horses like Duke here could no longer come see their 4-legged friends.
It was kind of a shock because I really do enjoy my time out here, and then all of a sudden we just couldn't come out at all.
Dan Miller is a veteran and has been riding and volunteering at M.A.R.E for about 3 years.
I fell in love with the horses, with the people, with our riders.
They've only been reopened since July 2nd, and with new state guidelines in place, M.A.R.E is seeing only 4 riders a day. Kobayashi says many of their usual riders are children with compromised immune systems, so for now, only able-bodied people like Dan are able to visit, but not without face masks, social distancing, and extra sanitizing.
We're just trying to do it CDC guidelines and get back into it slowly. Hopefully, before too long, we'll be able to get all of our riders back because they're really the ones that we're here for.
In the end, the goal is to fully reopen and allow all riders that need M.A.R.E's horses for therapeutic reasons to get back in the saddle. But for now, the volunteers and veterans are just excited to be able to come back and see their horses. To learn more about M.A.R.E, you can visit turnto23.com. For now, here in Northwest Bakersfield, Kallyn Hobmann, 23 ABC, connecting you.